Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and in today's video we're going to quickly go through all of the Ameritrade APIs. Today is a requested video, so just to let you guys know, I do take those into account because look, this is your channel. I want to have content and videos that are helpful for you. So all right, let's quickly just go through this. So this is the API page inside developer.tdameritrade.com. So all right, so you can, let's just start at the top. So you can actually go and create orders. I mean, you can do everything with this API. I haven't gotten to this point yet because it really takes some sophistication and making sure that you don't have any issues. So that's a disclaimer. I would rather you use the tools to gather information and then set orders, because if you have a decimal in the wrong spot, you can have a severely bad day. So why don't you perfect your screener first before you deal with this? But this is the accounts and trading API, and then inside that you can handle orders and everything to do with orders. Then here is the authentication API, so you can check your token, and this is what you retrieve back. Everything that you're going to have, and let's scroll up. There we go. Let's scroll up here. These are going to be your possible errors when you get these back, and these are going to be the JSON setup, so you can know how to parse all the information. So whenever you're not sure how it's going to come back, here is a sample, and it's even going to have the type of variable. So you're going to have it's a dictionary. So just remember that when you get a JSON file, Python handles it and converts it to a dictionary as we know it. So you'll have keys and variables, and it will have a template over on the side. So all right, that was a token. Now we have used the instruments a lot. So the search instruments is the data that we have been used to getting back, where we take fundamental, and here's everything that comes back right along these lines, and you can go and see all. I mean, there is a tremendous amount of data, and I parse out a lot of it. I think I am now up to only using 7 of these. So you have to go through and I highly recommend, as you've seen in my video, convert it to a data frame and then slice out everything that you need. So, and you've seen that before. So now back to, let's see, where are we? We're on instruments. And then if you need to check the hours for certain days, you can check the literal market hours. There is an API to check the market hours. All right. Movers. Now this one is cool if you don't have a screener that is set up yet. You can actually hit this API right here, and you will get I believe it's the top 10 up or down movers. And it is on volume. So they do that one on volume. All right. What's the next one? Option chains. So don't want to go too much into. We want to stay with the API, but an option is a type of investment, and this is what it returns. Again, you can come through over here and look, and it has everything that you'll need to know right here. All right, and again, whichever one you're searching, whichever one you're going to hit on the JSON file, this is what is going to be returned. All right, so that was the option chain. Price history. So if you're looking more into going backwards, this would be the API that you're going to want to pass in, and make sure you look right here at the setup and the frequency. So so I want you to think about this. What time period and then what intervals you want to get back. All right. So this can be, and then you'll get the candlestick chart, close, date, time, high, low, open, volume, and then of course the symbol. All right. So that was price history. So that's for charting. And then we've also looked at this one right here for getting quotes. So we do this one for price. Let's see, futures, index. So you can search everything. Mutual funds, and I want you to look really close right here. So mutual funds, futures, future options, indexes, the broader markets, options right here, and then sometimes the scrolling. Foreign exchange, ETFs, and then equities. That's standard stocks for companies whenever you see equities. And we've now merged over here where we're grabbing, I believe I've made a video on that where I merge the two APIs. Give me a shout out if I have not done that video yet. I cannot recall if I've done that because I've tweaked my API screener, my stock screener, and merged now two of the APIs together. And I'm about to go back and include year-old data to go from there. So, all right, that was, where'd we leave off? That was quotes. Then you can even go back and look at the transactions of your account, the transaction history, then your user information. You have all of these right here. And then the last one, let's see if that goes up. You can have your watch list. So there are, I mean, you can literally get to the point where you can, and I'm not going to show you these because you can get ahead of yourself. So I want to show you the ones that get you the data. And then when you perfect that, then you can go on your own and delve into creating orders and things like that. Because you can get, as a novice, you can get into a lot of trouble very, very quickly if you don't know exactly what you're doing. So we are staying on the programming side. I've actually entertained creating a stock channel, but I'm not sure if there would be enough interest because I don't do a lot of day trading, more in and out in a week or so and back and forth. So it's not as exciting as some folks just sitting there watching minute by minute and making decisions, or having their bot to trade, having their scanner go through and make all their decisions. So there we go, guys. Just a requested video, and like I said, if you have any videos that you want to see or you'd like me to dig deeper into, because I've been corrected on things that I've caused more questions than I've helped. So just please let me know. Make sure you're jumping down into the Discord server. We have a very awesome community over there that's growing, and awesome moderator and great admin. And we want to help you learn Python with your Python journey. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.